Hey everybody, this is Josh. Welcome back to Mountain Man Menu, and today I'm going to be making shrimp tempura. So let's get ready. Alrighty, what we're going to need for that, we're going to obviously need some shrimp. I've got some deveined, already peeled shrimp right there. Make sure you get them raw though. Can't be frying any already cooked, it'll make them rubberier than hell. Got some seltzer water or club soda, cornstarch, bread flour or just regular all-purpose flour, some baking powder, vegetable oil, and some kosher salt. Alright, now the first ingredient we're going to need for the tempura batter, we're going to start out with 1.5 cups of the all-purpose flour. The next ingredient is 3/4 cups of cornstarch. To that, we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder. We're going to put in about 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. Now we're going to add 1 1/2 cups of the seltzer water or the club soda. Now you want to make sure this is ice cold when you put it in here. It helps make it crispy. There we go. Now we're just going to mix that up. Now we're just going to set that to the side. We're going to take our big old pot. We're going to go ahead and put some oil in the pot, about 1 inch or 2, something like that. Not too much, don't need too awful much. Maybe a little more. There we go. Pretty. I'm going to turn it up to medium high heat roundabouts. We're going to want to bring that up to 350 degrees. I got my old Mama thermometer there. We're going to stick down on the side. Once that reaches 350 degrees, we'll get to frying some shrimps. Alright, now while we're waiting on our oil to come up to temperature, we're going to go ahead and we're going to coat the shrimp in some of that cornstarch. Helps the batter stick to it, gives a little extra crispity crunch. Oh no, I'm losing my shrimps. Let the cat have that one fell on the ground there. The one that made it to the stove though, it is still good. We'll get this shell out of there. There we go. Alright, now we got the cornstarch on there. We're going to cover it up and almost burn myself to death. Good Lord. Alright. Get them shrimps good and coated. Just like that. Alrighty folks, we are ready to fry. Gonna take my thermometer out. Lower it down just a tad because it might have got a little bit too hot, but it'll be alright. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take our coated shrimps out. We'll give them a dunk in that batter, shake off the excess. Drop it back in there a couple times by accident like a dumbass. Drop it straight in that oil. Actually, you know what, we're going to do about 5 of these at a time. So we don't crowd it out. We're going to do that for 2 minutes. Let them fry for 2 minutes. While they're frying, you might want to give it a little flip. Make sure they ain't sticking together or anything. Oh yeah, coming along nice, coming along nice. Looking good. Alright, now we're going to transfer these to a paper towel on a plate, let them drain. Try not to burn yourself like I just did. It'll be okay. I'm okay, honey. It's alright. And now I'm going to fry the rest of these up, and once they're all fried up, we'll come back and we'll check it out and have a taste test. Alrighty guys, I'm going to pull my last batch out of the fryer. They are looking good, looking crispy, looking delicious. Oh man. Can't wait for these to cool down. Give me a taste of that. Alrighty guys, we're going to get us some of this here shrimp. That is looking good. Got some of this Terry Ho's Yum Yum sauce, also known as shrimp sauce or Japanese steak sauce, what have you. That shrimp is cooked to perfection. That tempura is crispy. It was really good if that Japanese spicy mayonnaise, whatever this stuff is here. The Yum Yum. Yeah, man, look at that. I want you to hear that crunch. Gotta get some more at Terry Ho's. That's what we're gonna call it. Alrighty, well guys, once again, if you like what I'm doing here, give me a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, share the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, all that good stuff. Leave me a comment, let me know what you'd like to see me cook next. And until next time, love you, mean it, and we'll see you.